This is the most dangerous car you can buy. Not because of the speed, because of what it quietly costs you. The economist Thomas Sowell put it best. There are no solutions. There are only trade-offs. Every choice hides a second price tag. A brand new Porsche 911 costs about $135,000. You sign the papers, smile, and drive away. Now imagine a second you. Same money, but instead of the dealership, it goes into a boring index fund and just sits there. 10 years pass. The Porsche held its value better than most cars. It is still worth maybe $70,000. The index fund, growing 10% a year, is now worth about $350,000. Different world. That gap, over $250,000, never showed up on the sticker, but you paid it anyway. That is the trade-off. Sowell never said don't buy the car. He said know the full price. So, what are you trading?